Literature recommendation. Various freely obtainable databases comprise data concerning chemicals and their goals. Implementing systems biology theory supplies various benefits for toxicologists aiming at examining probable individual influences of a chemical. One benefit is that the scholar will be eligible to gain a general review of potentially hurtful impacts of a chemical and as well to create hypotheses on individual adverse results comparatively fast matched with a manual literature seeking. Anyway, the range of predictions is reliant on the amount of obtainable and published information on the chemical and awareness of at minimum one objective molecule. A perfect ontology should authorize the mapping of data at different standards of hierarchy. Computational designing of biological frameworks can accomplish a combination along various dimensions. An additional advantage of interprofessional disciplines is the institution of connections that can drive to interprofessional publication and scholarship. Increasingly, the scope of translational research is understanding the demand to authorize a closer cooperation of academia and industry to originate a more effective system for improving new medications.